Trying to test out the pack and play. Not that easy. Oh no. We're lifting that head up. We're so strong now. So I'm finally reviewing both of these swings. Hi, Layla. Do you see yourself? I'm gonna cook some white chicken chili. I've been craving chili and it's like the perfect temperature out. Connor's trying to get the bassinet.
Turn the camera off.
Oh, it's nice. This
It's the same
pack and play. It's the what?
It's the same way.
Is it? Trying to test out the pack and play. Not that easy. Oh no. So they all the arms have to be out. What a pain.
Yeah, it looks real painful on your end.
Oh, you know what I mean. You sure you can't just pop it up right now?
Set up the pack and play. Yeah, it's how the one.
Holy cow, it's huge.
Yeah. Let's put it in the living room. Yay!
Guess we could have kept that other bassinet, but. You see the camera, Layla? Daddy's cooking breakfast for Mama. I'm usually walking around in a bra and this cardigan and leggings because nursing life. Connor's gonna help me switch out all my, 40 minutes, switch out all my shoes to fall. I've been meaning to do this and I need to finally just do it. I'm gonna see how much we can get done. I have a bunch of sweaters and stuff to put in the closet, but that might have to wait. I at least want to get the shoes switched over. So we're gonna do a little time lapse. Connor's gonna help me since I'm like a little bit slower with this hand. And this place is a mess. This room is a mess. So let's do it. It's heavy, I know. It's shoes.
Kelsie.
You helped me put these in here. These are boots.
Kelsie.
What?
Kristine, that is unacceptable.
Why?
The whole bookcases of shoes.
Watch your mouth. These are my summer.
Oh my God.
These are my fall and winter. I know.
We have half an hour.
I know. It takes a long time to do.
Never been worn.
I got them at the end of the season last year.
Seen you wear those.
Those
Probably
I've had for
never
years.
been worn.
Yes, I wore those a lot.
Probably never worn.
Yes, I wore those a lot.
You have Timberlands. You don't even rock that style anymore.
Yes, I do. I wore those to the pumpkin patch last year. All right, so let's take all of these out and put them on here, and
Better
then,
put it into overdrive right now, honey.
okay, well you better put it into one.
Always in overdrive.
No, you're not.
Snake skin?
Yeah.
Kind of cool. Dude, you got a problem.
This is like your tools collecting over years. These aren't things that I've recently bought. These are things that I've had for a long time.
Put it in there. I already broke the lid once apparently trying to do this.
Okay, so I have shoes done, shoes and boots done. Still have to change out these bags and then all of my clothing and stuff, but at least we got the shoe part done, so that's one step. So feeling pretty good, feeling good. And she needs to wake up now. Not perfect. I usually like to color coordinate these, but I didn't change any of the shelves this time. Normally I change the height of them to make them all color coordinated, but when we're running on little to no time, this is what we got. So I think it looks good. I still have to do over here, change out some of these, like the wicker purse and anything that's summer related. And then I have a couple I think I have some fall bags that I'll pull from the closet and put down here. One step done. Someone is just being extra smiley this morning. I want to see if I can capture any of it. My house is a mess, but hang on. We're lifting that head up. We're so strong now. My neck is so strong. It was how she was looking up at me. It was just, I just want to bottle it all up. and just keep it forever. You're just so cute. You're just so cute and smiley today. Can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi? Can you give them a smile? Can you give them a smile? No, you're not gonna give them a smile. You're only gonna give Mama the smiles, huh? We're testing out her pack and play. We have the Graco one, I think is what it is. And it is a pain to set up, and it's huge. I've seen some like better travel ones. I think the 4Moms one is a good travel one because it like just pops right out. But this one has bassinet, changing table, and pack and play all in one. And it is nice. We have the Snuggle Me lounger in there right now. We were laying her in there the other day and just kind of like playing with her. We're gonna go back to playtime before her nap. And then I have work to get done. But it's Monday. I figured we'd just do like these vlogs weekly, I think. I think we're gonna do weekly vlogs, just like follow us along on highlights throughout the week whenever we pull out the camera, basically. Oh, someone's getting upset. Okay. Fresh out of the swaddle, stretches are the best. Oh, big stretch, huh? Big stretch. We're just waking up from a nap. Oh, look it. Oh, I know. Hello. I have to show you this. Hi, sweet girl. Agoo. 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 Hi, sweetie. Oh, should we flip the camera around so you can see yourself? What do you see? Do you see yourself? Who is that? Oh, I just missed all the smiles, didn't I? We just had tons of smiles. Ooh. Alright, you ready for some tummy time? Are you ready for some tummy time? Yeah? Oh, good toot. Are you kicking? Are you kicking? You kicking those feet? Kick. Kick, kick, kick. Yeah. Ogoo. Agoo. Morning jam session. Cup already?
Don't worry about it.
Conor is going hunting today. And I'm gonna be taking Layla to a little lunch with my 2 girlfriends that just had babies too. It's gonna be 3 women and 3 babies out to lunch. We'll see how this goes. Get it, Daddy, get it. Oh, look at this smiley.
There's a smiley baby. There's a smiley baby. There's a smiley baby. Hiya.
We got more spit up. Oh!
Yeah.
You're, stop. And the smile. Hi, Layla. Do you see yourself? Yes. We got a swing the other day and it's pretty nice, but I figured I'd buy this one. Oh, Conor doesn't break it, and see and compare the two, because this is the 4Moms one that everyone raves about, and then that one's from Munchkin. It's neat. I'll show you guys what they both do once. We'll do like a comparison once they're up, but I think this one's what, $50 or $60 more?
If I did this right.
You're not done yet. And so yeah, we're gonna compare, see which one's better. We'll do a battle of the baby swings. We got Layla here. Hi, sweetie. Your little Snuggle Me lounger. Yeah. What do you think?
Daddy's doing this wrong.
So I'm finally reviewing both of these swings. So we've had a chance to use both of them for quite a while, and I have quite a few things to say. So we got the Munchkin swing in the 4 Moms swing. So this one was highly recommended. This one of my followers sent me and said that it worked wonders for her. So I wanted to try them both out. This one I hadn't heard of before that. And I will admit, both are great. And then I will put the price on the screen right here too. Talking about each of these, they're both great. They're both swings, rockers, whatever you want to call them. However, this one, it's a really cool design and super comfy too. And I really like the, what do you call this? The buckle. And this one's not as great, which I'll show in just a minute. They're both Bluetooth operated. You can turn it on, and then it's got different rock settings, or swing settings, I guess. And so this is one, it goes up to, I think, 5. And then you can do a timer, and then you can also do music and play it through Bluetooth. So it's great. However, this is the only thing it does is that it rocks back and forth. And you can also lock it so that it stops completely, and you can just leave them in, and you can kind of like bounce them like this. So it's kind of a makeshift bouncer as well. But then going into this one, so the infant insert I added after the fact because I thought you needed it. You do not need this infant insert. Honestly, she used it before we got this in the mail because I added this on last minute. She did not need it. Like, she can fit in there, no problem without it. Maybe if she's like newborn, this would work. It just kind of creates like a little bit of a cozier barrier for them in there, but it's honestly not that like uncomfortable without it. It has the straps here, which are just like these chintzy, like cheaper looking straps compared to this, and then this guy here, which is the buckle that goes along around the waist. This guy comes off so you can clean it. I believe this one does as well. And then this guy has this too. And this was another thing that I wanted, was having something that like she could look at versus like this, you don't have that option. And these flip upside down. They have the little crinkles in them. One of them has a mirror on it. We added a little extra guy because she's been really liking that on there. This you can adjust the way that it's sitting, so you can have her higher up or more like laying down. This guy moves to pull her out too. I don't like that this doesn't move on its own. It's totally fine. It's not a make or break in my opinion. So for this, it has power button, and then it has 5 different settings. It's got car ride, kangaroo, tree swing, rockabye, and wave. And then it's got 4 different levels. You can see it's moving. So this current setting it's on is rockabye. So it goes up like this. And then you can also do sound. This is like some white noise, some water. And this is kind of what I set her in the mornings while after I feed her, I'll put her in here in the kitchen, and then I'll do my thing. I'll make coffee, get the dogs food, all of that, and she'll watch me. She'll watch me and she's happy. If she's not happy, obviously I'll pull her out, but she likes it. I've tried this guy. This one she likes more. I think it's based on preference with your baby. The other thing with this though is that if you can hear it, it sounds very mechanical. Like it's not very silent while it's moving, but it actually it creates more white noise in my opinion. At first I didn't think about that because I was like, oh, it's kind of loud, but babies want loud, babies don't want quiet. So this is definitely the winner in my eyes, and for $50 more, I think it ends up being $50 more, I would go with this guy over this guy. I will link both of them down below. There's also a different version of this. I think this is the newest version. They also have like just a rocker. I'll link all the information down in the description. That's that. Should we put Layla in one of them? Are you a happy baby? Ooh. Are you a happy baby? Ooh. Yes, you are. The cutest little babe, aren't you? This is just a little toy. Yeah, we've had it on there. I think, so I usually start it over here, and I feel like she kicks and it transitions back. And I think she really likes it. Look at that. And it'll go back here and she'll kind of start to grab for it. She can't quite grab yet, but we're working on it, aren't we? Say yeah, thumbs up, Mom. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Kick those feet. Use those feet. Kick. Kick. Yeah, look at you go. Look at you go. Hi. Good job. Good job. I just showered and I put this back on. It's got spit up on it, so that's my life. But I put this back on because I'm gonna self tan, and usually I just put something like dirty back on when I self-tan so that before I wash it off, it doesn't get something clean dirty. My hair is like a little dry. I am gonna do a little time lapse of me using this guy. I've used this for years. It's the Revlon hair tool. I don't know even what it's called anymore, but I did a video on it years ago. Love, love, love it though. Now that my hair's a little shorter, it still works just as fine. I let it dry in my little turban thing, my hair twist, and we're gonna blow dry it with this. Still a little wet because of the extensions. Oh, my dang wrist. It's getting better, but I have an appointment on in a couple days to get this looked at. You want to let it dry like 80% before going in with this, because you don't want to dry your full head of hair with this. You'll get it frizzy and it's just not great to like be pulling on your hair with it when it's super wet. So we are about to go on a walk and I just came over to Connor doing this.
Look at that stylish hat.
What are you doing with her turban?
Stylish hat right there.
Oh my gosh. So the little donut's supposed to go on the front, honey. She's like, Dad, what are you doing to me? Burr. It is so windy out. We just got back from a walk. I had a beanie on, so I'm all staticky. I'm gonna cook. I've been meaning to do this all week. I'm gonna cook some white chicken chili. I've been craving chili and it's like the perfect temperature out. I'll share my recipe, kind of, maybe I'll do it on the screen, I'm not sure. I'll share it with you guys though. Maybe I'll link it. Testing out Layla's humidifier right here. She's been having like kind of a stuffy nose and people recommended humidifier for it. So, I'm gonna tuck my shirt in. Alright, got me some chicken broth, green chilies, cannellini beans. The recipe does not call for peppers, but I'm gonna add them just for a little color and flavor. And then I also only had 1 can of cannellini beans, so I added garbanzo beans as well. They'll be just as good. So I cooked chicken the other day in the Ninja Foodie, frozen chicken, and then Connor shredded it. And I'm just gonna add this to it after this cooks for 5 to 10 more minutes, and then we're done. Yum, so good. Just put a little Valentina's on top and you're good to go.